Hello, welcome to Joso. My name is Edwin, and we want to be taking you on a series of videos on how to carry out bathymetric surveys. And on this episode, we'll be talking about the various equipment that we'll be using for the exercise. So first thing you need to do is to follow us on all our social media platforms, on Facebook, on Instagram, LinkedIn. Hit on the subscribe button under the video, and like, you can share, and as well comment your suggestions about this video. Thank you very much, and let's proceed to the exercise that we have for today. Okay, so to carry out a bathymetric survey, basically what we are doing is to measure the depths of water when you're carrying out a bathymetric survey, and what you need for that basically is an Echosounder device. Now, I have our Echosounder here, and it comes in two boxes. So this is the first box. This contains the Echosounder, which is basically like a system, a laptop or a computer that interprets the depth signal, and it presents it in depth values. So this is the Echosounder. We have your keyboard, and also we have our mouse. These are the power cables for the Echosounder. These are USB connectors. So on the second box, we have the transducer. Now what the transducer does is to capture, it sends the wave signals that measures the depth of the water through the cable into the Echosounder, and you get your depth value. So apart from the Echosounder, we have our power cable if you are using battery to power, and as well our connecting cables. Also, we have these metal irons that comes with the Echosounder. This is what we use for connecting the Echosounder the transducer to our GNSS. Now the transducer goes under here. You fixing the transducer here, the cable goes through the pipe, comes out from this edge, and then you put your GNSS on top here. So basically the GNSS or the GPS provides the XY coordinates for your depth values. So if you are sounding or getting the depth of this point, you will be needing the XY to identify that location where you are measuring the depth for. So basically we need a GNSS or a GPS device as well for doing bathymetric surveys. Another thing we need is you need a car battery, because you'll be working on water and there is no electric source, so you need a car battery to power the equipment. Other things we need is a boat clamp. So the picture of a boat clamp will come up. Is just to attach this pole to the side of the boat so that the Echosounder transducer can go into the water, and then you have the GNSS pole on top. Other things you need is your life jacket. That is very, very important for safety reasons. So it's advisable not to go anywhere close to the water without a life jacket. So you need a life jacket. So these are basically the equipment you need to carry out your bathymetric surveys for measurement of depth of water, and of course you need a boat that will take you around the water, so let's not exclude that. So these are what you need for your bathymetric surveys on sites. So furthermore, we'll be talking about how to do your connections, and then how to do your operations to get your depth data, so your depth value. So do well to follow us, hit the subscribe button to get notified anytime we upload a new video, and like, you can share, and as well comment your suggestions about this video, your questions as well. Then don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms. We have Facebook, we have Instagram, and of course we have LinkedIn. Thank you very much, and stay tuned for our next episode.